playing CC in Alight Motion. It's pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can I have CC in Alight Motion. So for that I'm going to show you how to be creative, but in your case you have to be creative and you have to achieve looks according to you. So suppose I have this clip and I want you to add some CC in it. So how am I going to do it? So for that I'm just going to not create a duplicate of it, but tapping on this and then tapping on duplicate layer, and now I'm going to add 3 effects which I think will suit for this video. But in your case you have to be creative and choose the facts according to yourself. Then you have to go to the facts. In the effects I'm just going to tap on add effect, and then I'm going to go to this option which should be currently, and there I will add this dark glow effect with the standard setting, and I will adjust it according to you. So you just have to adjust it according to you. I've added 1 effect, but 1 fact is not enough. I'm going to add multiple effects. I'm going to go to effects again. I'm going to tap on add effect, and then I'm going to add this exposure and gamma. So I'm just going to adjust the settings for it according to me. Let me just a bit of the offset and increase some exposure. Review increased on camera as well, and as you can see it is already starting to give me some of the cinematic look, but I'm going to add 1 more effect in order to fix it. So I'm going to go to effects again and I'm going to tap on that effect again. Then I'm going to select the colorizer factory, should be in the color and light and color rise. So I'm going to add it with standard settings and I will adjust the color according to the look I want to give it. Currently I want to give it a dark or winter look, so I'm going to add this effect. So you just have to be creative and add the fact according to you. So that's pretty much that I will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this what I have full